Life is a battlefield where courage, resilience, and honor are armor against the adversities that test our spirit. Ertuğrul Gazi, the valiant warrior, embraced this truth with every breath he took. His life was not merely a saga of conquests or a tale of bravery in combat. It was a testament to the unwavering resolve to uphold justice, defend the oppressed, and unite the fragmented. Ertuğrul's legacy echoes through the annals of time, reminding us that true greatness lies not only in the victories we achieve, but in the integrity with which we face our trials. Ertuğrul Gazi, a man of indomitable spirit and unwavering faith, embarked on a journey fraught with perils and uncertainties. His unwavering commitment to his principles and his unyielding faith in the divine guided his steps through the darkest of times. His life was a symphony composed of valor, wisdom, and compassion, teaching us that the true mark of a leader is not only in the battles they win, but in the justice they uphold, the unity they foster, and the mercy they extend to all beings. The saga of Ertuğrul Gazi is not merely a narrative of conquests and triumphs. It is a tale of resilience, sacrifice, and the unbreakable spirit of a leader. He understood that a leader's strength lies not only in the might of their sword, but in the nobility of their character and the depth of their compassion. Ertuğrul's legacy lives on as a beacon, reminding us that true leadership emanates from the heart and soul, steering through storms with courage, wisdom, and an unwavering commitment to justice and unity. Ertuğrul Gazi, a name etched in history's annals, was not merely a conqueror of lands, but a builder of alliances, a protector of the weak, and a beacon of hope. His life epitomized the valor of a warrior, the wisdom of a sage, and the compassion of a saint. He understood that true strength lies not in the sword alone, but in the righteousness of one's cause, the unity of one's people, and the humility to serve with honor and dignity. In the tapestry of Ertuğrul Gazi's life, woven with threads of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering determination, we find the essence of true leadership. His legacy is not confined to the battles won or territories conquered. It resides in the values he upheld amidst trials. He taught us that a leader's measure is not solely in the height of their triumphs, but in the depth of their integrity, the breadth of their compassion, and the boundless love for their people and justice. Ertuğrul Gazi's life was a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. He didn't just carve an empire, he laid the cornerstone of justice, unity, and righteousness. His unwavering faith in divine providence guided his steps through the most arduous paths, illuminating a trail of hope for generations to come. He taught us that true greatness isn't born from the glint of a sword, but from the steadfastness of belief, the humility of heart, and the commitment to noble principles. The saga of Ertuğrul Gazi is a symphony composed of valor, honor, and unyielding determination. He stood as a paragon of leadership, steering his tribe not merely through battles, but through the moral compass of justice and compassion. His legacy lies not in the conquests achieved, but in the hearts he touched, the minds he enlightened, and the unity he fostered among disparate souls, proving that the greatest victories are not territorial but spiritual. Ertuğrul Gazi's life was a saga of unwavering conviction and unbreakable resilience. His path was strewn with challenges that tested his mettle, yet he stood firm, with a heart pulsating with faith and a spirit fortified by unwavering determination. His legacy whispers to us from the pages of history, reminding us that the true mark of greatness is not in the absence of obstacles, but in the unwavering commitment to honor, justice, and unity, even amidst the stormiest tempests. In the chronicles of history, Ertuğrul Gazi emerges not just as a conqueror of realms, but as a visionary leader whose actions were guided by a higher purpose. He realized that a true leader isn't measured by the expanse of territory under their rule, but by the depth of their integrity, the breadth of their empathy, and the height of their vision. His life teaches us that greatness is not confined to the battlefields, but flourishes In the hearts of those who strive for justice, unity, and righteousness. Ertuğrul Gazi's life was an epic tale scripted with valor, fortitude, and a steadfast commitment to noble principles. His journey wasn't solely about carving out territories, but about forging bonds of brotherhood, fostering unity among diverse communities, and upholding justice in the face of adversity. His legacy transcends time, echoing through ages, reminding us that the true measure of a leader lies not in the crowns they wear, but in the lives they touch, the values they uphold, and the unity they nurture. In every hardship lies an opportunity to showcase the strength of our character. Ertuğrul Gazi, a warrior's valor, is not measured by victories alone, but by the principles upheld in the face of adversity. Ertuğrul Gazi, the path to true leadership, is paved with humility, wisdom, and unwavering resolve. Ertuğrul Gazi, a heart anchored in faith, finds courage amidst the storms of life. Ertuğrul Gazi, to build an empire, one must first build a foundation of unity, justice, and unwavering determination. Ertuğrul Gazi, the strength of a tribe lies not in its numbers, but in the unity of its purpose and the loyalty of its people. Ertuğrul Gazi, in times of turmoil, a leader's guidance shines brightest, illuminating the path for others to follow. Ertuğrul Gazi, the legacy we leave behind is not in the battles won, but in the lives touched, the justice upheld, and the unity fostered. Ertuğrul Gazi, true greatness is not solely in the sword's edge, but in the compassion and honor that guide its wielder. Ertuğrul Gazi, the flames of hope and determination burn eternal in the hearts of those who seek justice and stand firm in their beliefs. Ertuğrul Gazi,